Alright guys, so as you can tell from the picture there, we are working on a European mount of my son's buck kill that I just showed you the pictures of not too long ago. See right behind me, he's hooking up the power washer, and in the pot we have the skull. So what we've done is we hung it up in a tree for about a month, let the insects pick at everything, and then I scraped off the bottom jaw, cut that off, and scraped off some fur. And now we're going to get this thing boiling, doing this outside, and then we'll take the power washer and hit it. So teaching my son over there how to do these things, and we're going to do a European mount of his buck. So we will get back with you as we get this done, and we will show you the process and show you the end product. Stick with us, guys. Alright guys, so this one is the buck that we were cleaning up yesterday, and this is one that I had buried of the previous season. What we're going to do today is a hydro dip. So Elias, you want to set that one down. Cameron has already picked out the different colors of spray paint that he wants to use. We've filled a container with water so that the skulls are able to be submerged, and they're going to go ahead and alternate and put in the spray paint colors that they want. You guys want to go ahead and do that?
This is gold, Cameron.
Yeah.
So what's the order? What's the order you want?
I'll go. Sure.
Kim, wait. What comes first, silver or the... Kim, what comes first, silver or the...
Alright, and they hold it straight down in the center, building up the paint. And then they put the second color right in the hole.
Oh, wow.
Make sure you get it in the middle.
And the third color. And the fourth color. And they're going to alternate that until they get enough paint in there.
Bro, you really shake this now. When I'm spraying, shake. That's gonna look good.
And if you want to, you can use a stick and draw the colors in between each other.
So,
Are you wanting to do that, Kim?
Yeah, when you're done. You do that when you're done.
Yeah, I'm still recording.
oh my goodness.
Take that one, buddy.
And I think this brown should be it.
Alright. I'm going to give him a stick, and he's going to draw the colors to where it makes any kind of line that he specifically wants or design.
That's mainly just to kind of mix them up. Get a nice pattern. That's gonna look nice, bro.
Alright, then he's going to dip the skull in, and it's going to pick up the paint because oil and water don't mix. And go straight in, and once it's covered, come straight out.
No, Dad, no. Cameron, you straight.
Yeah, I know. Where's the... I need something to...
Dad, stick. You move it to the outside, then you shake it.
Because you don't want any of the paint coming off on it.
To move all the paint away from the head when you pull it out. That is it. You just need to stick in there.
That's alright, let me see the skull, bud. Pretty sweet looking pattern. So that's our first hydro dip. Thanks for watching, guys.